Hi students, welcome to the first session of IP. In this session, we are starting with the first unit, that is Introduction to Computer System. Computers are the integral part of our everyday existence and it makes our work easier and faster. As they are such important roles in our lives, we must know what they are and how they function. Computers have an important role in our lives because they can accomplish easy tasks repeatedly without getting bored and complex ones repeatedly without committing errors. Children, you have already learned about computers in your lower classes. I hope this one will be your favorite subject. Let's learn more about computers. While watching the video, write down the lecture notes.
Let's start today's class, Introduction to Computer System. Computer Overview. Derived from Latin word computer, which means to calculate. Modern computers can do a lot more than calculate. It's an electronic device. It makes our work easier, faster, and convenient. The definition of computer is, it's an electronic device that accepts data from user, process it to give meaningful information and save it for future use. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data from the user. According to that data, it will process. After that, it will produce the meaningful information. Then save that data for future use. That is the definition of this computer. Functions of computer. Input. Input means accepts the raw data from user. Raw data from user. We have to add 5 plus 10. Then the raw data are 5, 10 and plus. These are the raw data, inputting data. Process means an act of performing arithmetic and logical operation. Plus, that is an arithmetic operation. Process means we have to perform addition operation in that. 5 plus 10. These are the raw data. Which operation we have to perform? Addition operation. Storage, an act of storing data and information. We can store this 5 and 10. Then output, the result gained after processing. That means 5 plus 10, we will get the value 15. We will get the value as output 15. Clear? This is the function of computer system. Input, process, storage, output. Then functions of computer system. Input, process, output and storage. Input, we are giving the input for processing. After processing, it will store to the storage itself. Then it will give the output. Okay. Then features of computer system. First one, speed. Performs numbers of tasks in a second. This is called the speed of a computer. Example of different units of speed are millisecond, microsecond, picosecond, etc. Then second one is accuracy. Perform number of calculations in a fraction of second correctly and accurately. Perform number of calculations in a fraction of second correctly and accurately. Accurate thing. After processing of this operation, we will get the correct output. That is accurate output. Then storage capacity. Store large number of data. The quantity of data that a computer can store is the storage capacity of that computer. Example, KB, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, etc. Reliable. It has a high degree as it carries out calculation with high speed and accuracy. Reliable one. Correct output we will get. Diligent. Perform number of tasks without getting tired, unlike human beings. It will never tired. That is this diligent. Versatile, used in variety of fields like education, health, transportation, government, etc. to do simple to complex tasks. Okay, that is versatile. Then limitations of computer system. We know the limitations cannot express its own ideas. We the human beings developed this computer system. So it cannot express its own ideas. Needs power or electricity to work. Lacks decision making power. Needs high skilled manpower to operate. Expensive to install and maintenance. That are the limitations of computer system. Applications of computer system: to write text, title, heading, paragraph, etc. in a digital format, to type letter and send mails, to play games, to listen music and watch movies, to do complex set of calculations, etc. are the applications of computer system. Application areas: schools, colleges, universities, health posts, polyclinics, hospitals, railways, bus parks, airports, government offices. These are the application areas of this computer system. Okay. Then component of a computer system: input devices. These are the input devices. Then central processing unit, output devices, then memory, main or primary memory, secondary or auxiliary memory. We are giving the input to the central processing unit. In the central processing unit, we can see the control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. It will control and perform the arithmetic and logical operations. After that, it will store in the primary memory and secondary memory also. From there, it will produce the output to the output device. Okay. Then the processor unit, CPU, you know about this. It is the brain of the computer system. All major calculation and comparisons are made inside the CPU, and it is also responsible for activation and controlling the operation of other unit. That is this CPU. This unit consists of two major components, that are arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU, and control unit CU. Okay. Then arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit performs all arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also uses logical operation for comparison, like comparison or decision making. That is greater than, less than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to, etc. So many logical operators are there. Then the next is control unit. The control unit of a CPU controls the entire operation of the computer. It also controls all devices such as memory, input or output devices connected to the CPU. Control unit controls all the operations of the computer. Then input or output unit. The input or output unit consists of devices used to transmit information between the external world and the computer memory. For that, we can use this input or output devices. Then memory unit. It is an essential component of a digital computer. This memory unit is used to hold the instructions to be executed and data to be processed. Okay. Then primary and secondary memory. Primary memory has direct link with input unit and output unit. It stores the input data, intermediate calculation and result. Second, direct link between input unit and the output unit. Then secondary memory. The primary storage is not able to store data permanently for future use. So, some other types of storage technology is required to store the data permanently for long time. It is called secondary or auxiliary memory. Okay. These are the basics of computer system. Clear?
Okay students, I hope all of you understood the basics of computer system. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.